It's like purple all over again. Shoot, I'm getting a blister from flip-flops. What are you doing?
Videotaping. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? We're gonna do some crazy stuff. I'm videotaping.
Now you're videotaping?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, you got up to my face, thanks.
No. Hey, look, there's Zoe. Isn't she beautiful?
Hey, how you doing?
Let's get... Hey, you. Hey,
kind of.
let's get Walmart.
Zoe.
Bikes?
You read it right.
Bikes.
Zoe.
That ass though. What? Just kidding. She has no ass. Say hi, Sophia.
Let's go, Brian.
Are you going with Mom?
No.
We have to go get 24 pack of Mountain Dew.
24?
Yeah.
Zoe, don't kill her, please.
Just kidding. Hey! So, how have you been?
What are you doing?
We're walking through Walmart like bosses.
What are you doing?
Taking a video?
Old people thing, but Mom was like, no.
Look, all they do is say, put it back. I'll do it.
It's
you want to do it?
Look.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Look. It says, we're at Walmart, and this is about Walmart.
When Harry was younger, he was kicked out of supermarket for wearing.
I mean, that's what I meant to say, supermarket.
Make sure there's no workers.
There's a worker right there. They're totally gonna notice.
They're like, I can't walk on my feet.
My feet really hurt.
Don't you know?
Okay.
True.
Oh, I hate this stuff.
Hold my thing.
Keep your phone. Hi, Destiny.
Hurry, go. Go, Destiny.
You're so slow. Dude, we need a different one. Alright, I'm gonna try, please. No. Please. Please, we get kicked out of Walmart. Here, hold your phone down.
Don't push me. I'm an old lady.
Steer correctly.
I am staring.
You're so slow.
I know, and this thing is charged all the way up. This is scary.
Watch that.
Oh my god.
Kill us. I mean, you.
No. Wait. Oh my god, there's a
people.
I know, this guy was like, didn't even look at me because I was like, I want to try, please. No, Sophie. No.
You're so slow.
I know, I feel like an old grandpa.
Like, yeah, look at me.
Oh my goodness. Well, this has been spiffing.